Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube search green screen feature. Now, to use the camera effects or YouTube green screen effects in YouTube search, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and open your YouTube application, then tap on this plus icon or the create menu. From there, head towards this sort option and pull down this right hand side menu bar. From here you should be able to find this effects option. Go ahead and click on it. Now tap on this search option, then type in green screen and tap on this search, and as you can see there are various options over here. Now all you have to do is select any one of them, then tap on this tick mark, and as you can see it is enabled. Now all you have to do is tap on this red button to record your video, or just tap on this add option and select any of the media from your device and you can use it on your search. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.